We try to estimate the yield on an 8% bond that pays semi-annual, and the bond has a 1,000 face value, so we know that the future value of this bond or the face value is 1,000. We also know that the current selling price of this bond is 885. Another thing we know is that we have 20 years until the bond matures. However, since it's a bond that pays interest semi-annually, we have twice as many semi-annual payments. And we know that the coupon rate of this bond is 8%, so it pays 8% times the face value of 1,000. However, we also need to, since this is a semi-annual bond, the payment amount will be half of every 6 months of what there was the yearly. Then we estimate the rate. We have 40, 85, and then we find that the rate, since this is semi-annual, this answer here, so it's not the final answer. We have to multiply the answer we get times 2 in order to estimate this is the annual yield on this bond. We also have this 5%, 5.1% coupon bond, and again the face value is $1,000. The bond is selling for 19. Remember, the price and the future value, they have opposite signs. We know that the 5% coupon, the 5.1% coupon is this much. However, this is a semi-annual bond, so we have to divide over 2 to get the semi-annual payment of the coupon. We also know that the bond has 10 years to go, so twice as many semi-annual periods. We estimate the rate and we find that there's 20, 25, 917, and this is the semi-annual rate. Remember that this is semi-annual, this is semi-annual, this is semi-annual as well. Therefore, the answer we get in order to find the nominal annual rate with semi-annual compounding is this is the answer, 623%. Finally, we have another bond that is currently selling at a premium. So let me just change this to 1,767. We know the face value is the same, and the 7% coupon the bond pays is also again semi-annual, so we divide by 2. And we have 8 years to go, so we need to find what's the rate, and the rate is again, the answer we're going to find is going to be the semi-annual rate. So what we need to do to this rate is multiply times 2 in order to get the 6.03% nominal annual rate with semi-annual compounding this bond pays.